Hello there and welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. So today we're looking at burning. So burning is a type of oxidation reaction. It happens when a substance reacts with oxygen in the air to produce heat and light. The substance that burns is oxidized during the reaction. For example, when carbon in the form of coke is burnt, we get the following reaction. So carbon plus oxygen equals to carbon dioxide plus light and heat that comes out. So fuels can be burnt to release useful energies. They burn more strongly in pure oxygen. If a smoldering wooden spin is placed into a jar that contains oxygen, it will relight. This is a test for oxygen gas. So this fire triangle shows the three things that are needed for burning to happen. The three things are heat, fuel, air, and oxygen. Removing any of them will actually stop a fire. So that's the basics of what you need to know in terms of burning. So please do read this again, and you've got follow-up questions to answer thereafter. Good luck with these, and then we will follow these out in our next